Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So, in this session, we will learn about how to style your HTML page. We have learned up till now about HTML, basics of HTML. We will learn more in the future, but you need to create your website with elegant features like giving them styles. So, we will learn basics of CSS also to match the skills with HTML and JavaScript. So let's start your session on CSS. First thing we will do, we are going to give this head, that is color and background color, and give them font size and alignment. How to do this? As you see here in the HTML program, we have used heading tag for showing this line, that is Kanhaiya's interest, programming interest. So let's try out here. First, what you need to do, h1, heading tag h1, and curly bracket. Inside you need to write your program like text alignment, text dash align colon. So you can put also it in this in a right position, and also you can put this in your center. So we prefer center. Now how to color this? Let's try color colon. And which color do you like most? That would be red or pink. Let's try pink. And you need to give it a semicolon, or else it will not execute, or your next program will not execute. So you need to give them semicolon. Yeah, let's see. It's not working, or it's giving faint. Let's try dark. No, dark pink is not available. So let's try only red. Yeah, you can customize your color. I will tell you that in my next session, so don't worry about it. So let's try font size, like a font dash size colon. How much we need? That would be 50 px. It would be sufficient, right? You can change this as your wish. So let's try putting background color back. If you follow my steps, you will be learning CSS in very short time. So background color, yeah, we need to put color dash and then color. So background color we need, that would be yellow, or should I say gray? Yeah, here it is. So yeah, that's it for heading. So let's try next line, like he loves to program. So let's try making this green. So let's try what is around li. So li tag curly bracket and color colon. Let's try green and semicolon. As you see, there are so many lines we have turned into green. So why? So because every line that we have given li would be turning green. So how we solve this? How we can give only one line that is green color? Yeah, it would be simple. Let's giving them classes or IDs, so it can choose which color we need to give which line. So this is, we need to make this line that would be green. So let's making only this. So what we need to do, we just need to put class or ID. What is this class or ID? I will show you in few steps. Just follow me. ID colon and no colon is equal to, in apostrophe, you can put anything in here for reference, like CL Yeah. So how to access this line? uh, you can access id by hashtag and the word we have preferred, like cl. We have used cl for this one. So look at here, only line have turned into green. So I told you how to use id tag. So let's try class tag, how to use. So first what we need to do, yes, we this div tag we need to put inside only those lines which we need to use. So it would be here. We only want this to change. So let's try changing. We don't want this heading to come in your way, so we will put this heading out of divs. Yes, we can give heading another, like let's try giving heading first. Heading h2. Let's give it background color. That would be blue, semicolon. Now background color has become blue, and we are going to align it like a text align. So semicolon. So where should we put it? Center. As you try on this, you can pretty much learn this. Yeah, we are going to put this also in center. Yeah, just like this. Let's try next line. That would be inside divs. This one and this one. We put this line in divs so we can access it whole. So the div curly bracket, like a line, we need to put text dash align. So colon and center, just like this. Let's try giving it a name or a color. We don't need to give them background color because it would be waste. Let's try yellow. There are so many types of color. I will tell you in my next lecture which one is which one is which. So what will we do next? Let's try look at here. Yeah, there is image. We can give color to the image, but it would change the style of our image. So let's just put image tag like img in curly bracket. Let's giving them a line. No, we cannot give them a line. We need to give them float, because for image we need to use float. For text we need to use text align. So for float, right? Yeah, that would be awesome. No, let's forget about float. We just need to put this in our left side. There it is. Just forget about the float. Let's try giving it width. Width, that would be 90 px. We need to just experiment it. Yeah, px is just too much. Let's try pt. It's just boring. Let's try 290 pt. Yeah, it's getting bigger, man. Let's try more, like 590. It's getting bigger. Yeah, that's what. That would be awesome. Yeah, let's try. Give it color. Its color is red, so let's try green. What happens? It will be on it. No, it's not working, bro. So you just need to do this experiment. So let's try next thing. That would be table. So what we do about table? Let's just put table tag like table and curly bracket inside. Right? Yeah, there are so many things we can do about this, like giving it border. So how do we give this a border? That's just so simple. You need to put inside border. So let's first give it background color. So it would be yellow to flash away, right? And for color, give it a red color because I like it. Let's try giving it border. For border, it would be awesome to pick. Yes, what we need to do first in border, we can pick his width. So let's try 3pk. First thing we need to do just put width in border, and second, what it be like a solid or paint or something like that. Solid, and which color you need as a border. We don't need to put red color. We can put another color like purple. It would be awesome, like. And at last you need to give it a semicolon. Yeah, it's just too small. We need to give it a width, width colon. So which one that width? Let's try 80 px semicolon. Not working. Let's try pt. So why don't we just increase that more? Yes, 500 px. Yeah, it's not showing, so we need to increase our height also. GST. Let's try increasing height. We can increase it like a 400 px semicolon. No, you're not going to show me. Let's try 400, just like this. I think my internet is slow, that's why it's giving error. No, there is bug. Yeah, it's important to find bug in your code. Yeah, look at here. What have we given 400, 4,000? So there's increase so much. Yeah, it would be awesome. Yeah, this one is stable. Yeah, this one is heading. We need to give it a special bar, just like something like this. So let's try giving height is too much. Let's giving only 100 is enough, right? Yeah, we need to give it a head like a th and curly brackets. Let's try giving it a border border. So I have told you what we need to do about border. First, pick a px like a 2px, giving it a solid border. and pick a color. Which color do I like? Like brown. Yes, that would be awesome. No, it's not showing just too much. Let's try another one. Like violet. Spelling is right, right? So it's not working. So let's try another one. I think blue. Solid blue. Yeah, it's showing here, right? For table, you need to give it a, so just like this, you can give how much you need to use something like this. For color, you can give him any color. So let's try giving it alignment. What is the text for alignment? Text dash align, just like this. Colon, give it a right side. So center. I think it's only working on text, so don't worry about it. I will tell you in JavaScript how to make it elegant, so don't worry about it. So we can give this also border. How to give it? Let's try giving here border. You know about a border. First we need to pick a size, give it a solid one, and give it a another color like a black. Yeah, you can put here more. If you want to give it a larger border, you can try 5. Yeah, it would be awesome, right? So this one, it's looking so much little. Let's try font size. You can try it 30 px, and don't forget to give it semicolon. Let's try out undo. Font color is important, right? Font size is important. You need to sort, let them know that is this is the content that we have picked up. Let's give it 30 px. Semicolon, don't forget to give it a semicolon. This one looks smaller, like let's give it a bigger, like 1290. Maybe 1190. Yes, this looking middle, right? So let's try this one. You can give this a width, height. So thank you for watching my video. In my next video, I will tell you how to properly make a website by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Hold. So you need to be patient to learn about everything. One by one, we will learn everything. In my next lecture, let's talk about colors in JavaScript, how to use functions, variables, and arrays. So we will learn in next video. Don't forget to save this file so we can use this in another or video. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe my channel.